Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we are covering the question, can I open the lid of my Panasonic bread maker whilst it's cooking? And generally speaking, we do not recommend you do this unless you are using a baking program that specifically requires you to lift the lid during the bake and add an ingredient. Other than that, we really don't recommend it. There's a main reason for that, and it comes down to temperature. So several different processes that your bread maker goes through when it bakes. There's the rest period, there's the rise, there's kneading, there's baking, and all of those processes require really specific temperatures to work at their very best. And as soon as you lift that lid, you are changing the temperature on the inside of your bread maker. So I know it might be tempting, but try not to lift that lid whilst your bread is baking. It will improve the quality of your bakes massively. So, hope that helps. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.